YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a review for you guys, and it's for this hair. Oh my god, this hair has been giving me life for the past few days. From Sam's Beauty that they had shipping for $1.99, and I went on the website pretty much browsing, and I came across this hair and I was like, ooh, I'm gonna try that. I've been wearing a lot of faux locks for a while, but I've never really tried the ones with the curly ends, and it's on trend. A lot of people are doing this style, pretty much like braiding with the curly hair and then wrapping the faux lock around it and stuff like that. So I was like, ooh, I'm gonna try that. And so far I'm glad I did, because I really like this hair so much. Yeah, so first let's get into the information. So this is the Freetress Hippie lock. Freetress is a really good brand if you like crochet braids. They really do a good job. I've had a few of their other like faux locks and other styles, and so far I'm really impressed by them. So when I saw this, I was like, okay, I gotta grab that. So this is the information here. So this is the hippie lock right here. I gotta wait a little bit for this to zoom in. Oh boy. So it's right here. The hippie lock braid. I got it in a 1B and in 20 inches. So this hair is pretty long. And at the bottom here it says it comes in, the curls come in 3 different lengths. So the ends of them are all different. So they kind of give you that layered look, and if you look at it closely, you'll see that there's different lengths of the curls. So this hair is pre-looped, and I'll show you one that I didn't use. So here's the loop right here, and this is the hair. So faux lock up here and then the curl at the end. I really like that. This hair feels really soft, like really soft, and the curls are just like amazing. Like faux locks can be a little more like rugged, I guess. They're a little more messier, but the curls at the end just kind of polishes everything, and it gives you that feminine touch. So everywhere I went, I think people were looking at the curls and they were just amazed. Like I got a few compliments on this hair, actually a lot of compliments, and people were just amazed at how the curls were. So I spent about like 40 bucks for a total of 6 packs because I have a big head. And I think that's still reasonable, because my beauty supply for the faux locks with the curls, I've noticed they're about like almost, I think, 9 bucks a piece. So adding that up to 6, that would have been a lot of money for me. So I pretty much ordered a lot of my hair online because it saved me a little bit. So yeah, that's how much I spent. I got 6 packs. I have a big head. I'm 5'10", and this is where the hair hits me at. So it's right here on me. So if you are shorter, this hair might be easily near your butt, because it's touching like my back right here. So I can imagine if you're shorter, it's gonna hit you like really low. So I really like this. I like 6 packs because I like volume in my hair. So I've been just playing with it. Like I've just been, oh my god, it's so soft and it's so lightweight. A lot of people are asking me that. Super lightweight, like, because the faux lock parts, the hair itself is really small. It doesn't put a lot of weight like on your neck or anything like that, and that's one of the reasons I really like it. Yeah, so this hair, I'm really impressed. The quality looks really nice, and what I can tell you though that might be a little bit kind of annoying is that the curls do get tangled up a little bit. As you can see, mine are starting to kind of get dry and a little bit matted and kind of tangle, which is usual with curls. So you have to figure out a system pretty much to moisturize it where you can also take care of the curls really well, and you won't have a problem. So I've been using, I mixed a bottle of conditioner and a little bit of water, and I spray the curls. And then I also use like a mousse for curls and stuff like that on the ends. And then here I just moisturize with oils. So I do oils here, and then the rest of it I just kind of put a little bit of conditioner with water and just kind of touch it a little bit. And then take a scissor and just cut it, you know, when it starts to get matted. So I'll turn around for you guys. Hope you guys can see me. So pretty much that's it right here. This hair, you know, took me about, I would say, a good 2 hours without interruptions. As I already said, I'm a mom and my kid is always running around when I'm trying to do my hair. Sometimes I wait until midnight to do my hair, but most of the time I do it while he's like busy watching his cartoons or something. So overall, I really like this hair. I would recommend you guys try it out and let me know how, you know, you like it. And I forgot to show you the other part of the box. So you can see here they have, you know, the back where they show you like other styles that they offer from Freetress. But overall, I really want to say that I'm really impressed with Freetress when it comes to the quality of a lot of the hair. That's the hair there. And it's really lightweight. The curls are just amazing. Like, oh my God, let me get close. Like, it's beautiful. Like, the hair is just gorgeous. See, I can't help but to touch it. Anyway, guys, so I just want to share with you guys there. I'm gonna leave a link below for you guys if you guys want to get this hair. Right now, Sam's Beauty has a flat shipping of $3.99, so you can grab the hair now and use that because they change it every so often. Sometimes it's $1.99, sometimes it's $2.99, but it's really nice because usually you would have to pay like almost 12 bucks, I think, for shipping. And I'm like, I'm not paying that. So when I saw that, I ran to the website and I was like, I gotta get some hair because that shipping is great. It took about a good like 4 to 5 days to get to my house. I'm in California, and that was really fast. So I really was impressed. Overall, I would recommend this hair. And if you guys get it, let me know how you like it. And I'll see you guys in the next video.